is Q&A time again. We got lots of questions fired to us. I guess it'd be Monday, so good job, guys. We're gonna be asking those every Monday, and I'll be doing my best to answer them by Tuesday night. We just got back from Christmas break. It was a little bit different this year. We didn't get to see the families, but everyone had some good time off. I think the boys are rested, and they came back hotter than ever. So here we go. Okay, question 1. What do we got? Okay, here's a good one from Morrow. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Small vans, lithium portable battery, or full AGM auxiliary, which technology wins? Lithium wins. Lighter, small van, it's gonna be smaller for storage. Lithium wins if you're asking about technology, but this is a big preference question. So do you like taking your gear outside of the van, or do you wanna have a permanent battery bank that you don't have to lug around? This is gonna come down to the number of appliances you have, how off-grid you wanna be, how long do you wanna last. Honestly, it's the draw. So do you have fridges, fans, lights? If you've got the works, then the small lithium portables, we don't find work the best. They're great if you want a simple, get off the grid camper van for a little bit of lighting, a little bit of charging. Next question here is Frank Bertholet single. It's going. Question number 2. This one is from Farley Kaiser. How do you support your living this way? Very curious. I want in. Farley, I also want back in. I used to live in a school bus back when we started this company. Lived in it for about a year just outside of Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. I lived on a farm just outside. Did a little bit of labor help for that with them. Got free rent. That's how I did it. Made all my bills super cheap. But I'm going to reach out to our audience here and a few of our clients and see if they can compile a list of answers for us. Somebody that's currently living full-time in a van. We'll see if we can get them on here for you. Question number 3. This one is coming from Tristan O'Hetherington. Sweet photography page. How well do converted van/skoolie interiors do off-road? Love seeing your work. Well, thank you, Tristan. You got some good looking work too. Off-road, how do they do? They're awesome. Just about everyone living in a van or spending full-time, part-time is going to tell you that it does better than any RV they've ever had. Whether that's a pull, fifth wheel, or just a small tent trailer. Not having that pivot point, not having a trailer to have to drag, is going to save you a lot of hassles. You're going to be able to get a lot deeper into the bush. Just because we call these off-grid does not mean that a school bus can go mudding. You can try. What you do have over a Class A is the clearance. You'll probably get stuck on a curb with a Class A. We got so many this week, you guys, so thank you for sending those in. If I did not get to your question, send it again next Monday. I'm gonna do my best. Okay, question 4 from, I believe, Raven. It's got these funky letters here. And trying to rebuild a skoolie in Mexico. Building a bus in Mexico, that is pretty sweet. So congratulations on that. Where would you start? Obviously starting with a good base, starting with a solid foundation is going to be key. Take care of rust, take care of that engine, and make sure you have a good base unit before you go and dump a lot of money into it. A couple places to start. One is gonna be doing a elastomere or elastic roof coating that's gonna seal all those joints. You just can't trust all the rivets. They usually leak. 2 is going to be, what was 2? 2 is your windows. Make sure your windows come out, clean out all the dust, reseal, recaulk, completely reinstall those windows because they always leak. Number 3, an asphalt coating. Make sure it is safe to use inside, off-gassing, etc. Make sure it's safe. But it's a rubberized coating. Instead of painting and sealing the floors, we do a prime rust coat Then next we do this Blue Shield asphalt coating. It is a rubberized mat, safe to use inside, and it is going to seal any of those seat penetrations and create a watertight membrane. Another sweet thing, any screws that go through the floor and puncture your base during your build are going to be sealed by that rubber coating. There's no need to go underneath your bus and hunt for 500 different screws if you punched a lot through. Okay guys, final question here. Question number 5. It is gonna come from Braden Morso. Thanks for sending your question in. Most efficient way to heat your bus. All right, this is a good one. Heating your bus, we usually tackle with multiple methods. Whoa. Efficient and affordable is going to be propane. That could be ranging from your standard RV appliances. We use Truma specifically. They're a combination unit water heater furnace. We find they do an excellent job. They're extremely efficient. Next, you're gonna have diesel. So diesel, you've got the option to throw in diesel heaters. These can be hydronic heaters that also tie into your water system, or just air heaters that are gonna heat up your space. The beauty with those, you can tap into your diesel tank in the bus. Third, we like to include a cubic mini wood stove. They create these tiny little, honestly probably this big, wood burning stoves. They're incredible if you plan on winter camping and are going for a winter package, and they're pretty freaking sweet to look at. Would definitely recommend one of them. Anyway, that's how we heat our buses. Thanks for the question. Thanks again, you guys, for the questions. We had a lot of questions come in on yesterday. So same deal. Send your questions in over the weekend. Next Monday, I'm gonna get to them. Sorry if I missed them this week. Thanks a lot, guys.
Supply tracking and sales automations for like a year and a half, and you guys are the first ones with Salesforce, but it's like 10 grand a month. And